In this video, we show how to place an OCP in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove an OCP, with the cover, risers 3, 5, and 4 removed from the system, lift up on the blue retention clip and then slide the OCP out the rear of the system. To install an OCP, align it with the system and slide it in until fully seated, and then press down on the blue latch to lock it in place. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.